How to log in Costco Citi Card online account. Launch Anywhere browser on your device. Tap on the search bar and simply type in Costco Citi Card login. And simply press enter, or you can tap the search icon on your keyboard. You'll land on this result section where you can simply see Costco Anywhere Visa Card by Citi on the first link. Tap on the very first link on this result page and open it. Now over here you'll find sign in button at top right corner. Simply tap on it. Now you'll reach on the sign in section where you need to enter the credentials, that is your user ID and password. So let's enter. If you wish to remember the user ID, you can check mark the small box next to it. And in case you forget your user ID or password, you can tap on the link underneath the sign in button. So tap on sign in button and you will successfully log in into Costco Citi Card online account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.